This Metro Cottage-Shingle install video provides installers with a basic application of this new panel over existing asphalt roofs. Make sure you follow all local safety and code regulations for the area you're working in. Perimeter drip edge metals have been installed. Daniel Dedamore, Metro's national trainer, is now installing Metro shingle rake channel. Fasten on the inside of the weather V. Overlap the rake channel in the direction of water flow. Notch the upper rake channel as shown to allow the rake channel to overlap correctly. This is the rake channel notch. Now Daniel will install the Metro Smart Shingle Valley, a unique three-piece system that uses the Metro Valley cover as the final part. First install one side of the valley metal, then the other, making sure the center of the valley sections are tight together. Fasten each side 12 inches on center with Metro's 1.5 inch long rubber washer valley screws. Position these in the outside section of each valley side as shown. Metro Gutterizer supports the first panel row at the fascia and is installed flush with the drip edge. Fasten 12 inches on center. When installing Metro Cottage Shingle in standard low wind zones, a total of 6 fasteners, including one in the middle side lap, is used. The white chalk dots, shown here, indicate the approximate fastener location across each panel. Metro Cottage Shingle panels lay left to right across the roof. Daniel has noted the main panel locator point with white chalk. To limit alignment patterns, Metro suggests a panel course layout of 13 inches, 3 inches, 10 inches, and 18 inches, then back to a full panel. In this example, due to the hip, we are using the 13-inch locator point to create a stagger layout. Metro Cottage Shingle Smart Vent panel is installed with a strip of Metro foam tape across the back flange as shown. This allows top-down fastening of the smart vent and ensures good weather protection for this fastening method. Once the full panels are laid, you will now need to measure the valley panel sections to the center of the valley. After applying the measurements to full panels, cut the panels as shown. This also applies to the hip panel sections. When attaching valley cuts, do not penetrate the valley metal. The hip panel sections are installed in the same manner as the valley panels. Finish the valley and hip panels for this roof section. Daniel will now flash a pipe penetration using the sandwich method. The flashing material is sandwiched between 2 layers of Metro roofing. Mark, cut, and fit the base panel around the pipe, apply sealant as needed, and fit the new Metro Smart Jack pipe flashing over the pipe and seat onto the base panel. Mark, cut, and fit a top cover section of Metro Cottage Shingle over the pipe flashing as shown, and finish it off with a Metro Smart Sleeve pipe cover fastened through the back of the sleeve into the pipe. Measure, cut, and fit the panel sections up each rake into the rake channel. Apply a peel and stick type material or a thick bead of sealant down the center line of the valley, then fit the Metro Valley cover, lapping in the direction of water flow by 6 inches. Fasten with stitch screws, making sure to not penetrate the valley pan. Use the panel screw as a simple guide to set the correct position of the first row fasteners. Top-down fastening is only acceptable on the first row. Seal and chip each fastener head across the front row. Daniel is laying panels on the existing roof to pre-mark the rake and hip section of this small roof. He will then cut and fit the panels to the section at left. Metro Smart Box Vents are used to exhaust bathroom or kitchens. This shows the process of marking, cutting, bending and fitting the 2-panel sections around the smart box vent. Daniel is leaving about a 1/2 inch to allow for a bend up on the edges of the panel, and will do the same with the box vent flanges. The panel above the smart box vent is cut and bent to fit after sealant is applied. Short courses with Metro COTTAGE-Shingle can be handled by burying a portion of the panel and allowing the full panel above to come down to cover half the panel below, as Daniel is showing in these examples. The Metro Cottage cap, which is 12 inches long by 12 inches wide, will be available by mid-June 2014. We are using Metro shingle cap installed with Metro foam tape for added weather protection at the hip. Mark the hip cap at the corner of the roof, cut, fold, and trim to create a 3D first cap at the hip corner. This is the finished hip corner with Metro shingle hip caps installed. Use the Metro touch-up kit and always use the supplied base coat adhesive to glue the stone chips to the panel being touched up. Make sure this is done in dry, moderate temperatures to ensure the base coat dries. An easy short course with Metro COTTAGE-Shingle, creating a half-course panel is shown. Trim caps are now installed across the ridge. In severe weather areas, use sealant, Metro foam, or peel and stick roll material to seal the ridge and hip cuts at the center line before trim cap application. Upon completion, check your overall install, cleaning the roof of debris as you go. And be proud you've just installed a great looking roof. Metro COTTAGE-Shingle, a smart roof for smart people. All Metro products are performance proven, and for over 57 years, stone-coated steel roofs have used exposed fasteners with great success. This heavy water flow test shows how the panel's design and vertical nose deflect water away from the fastener point for great long-life weather protection. Thanks for watching. Contact Metro or a distributor near you for more information on any of the great Metro profiles. And if you or your crew needs on-site training, register to have our technical trainer come out on your next job for a nominal fee.